Hi friends, in this video we will learn about input function in Python. So the input function is used to take input from the user while program is running. So how it's work? So it pauses the program, waits for the user to type something, returns the typed value as a string only, that is a text. So whatever you are taking a input or typing, that will takes in the string format only, that is a text. So here you can see the basic example. Suppose you are writing Python program, so name equals to input, this is a function in bracket, just you are giving message, enter your name. So print hello name. So output is, here you can see this message will print enter your name. So enter your name, just I have typed Gautam. So what is the output? Hello Gautam. So here you can see in the print function hello name. So in name you are taking a input, you are typing, and this will be the output. So this is a string. So important point. So you should understand and remember this point. Whatever the user's types is always received as a string. So whatever you are typing, this will take as a string. But when you but if you want to take a numbers, then you should use a convert using, already you learn typecasting. So int function is used for convert the numbers in integer, and here float function is used for a decimal number. So see the example. Suppose you want age. So first you have to write this int functions. Inside the int you have to type a input function and enter your age. So print function, your age is a, and age is a variable. So output will be whatever you type. Int function is used to convert the whatever type into the integer number. So another one example, addition using a input. Suppose you want addition A and B, and input function only take a string. If you type number, this will be considered as a string. But when you type int and inside the int you type input, then this will take as a number. So A and B just take input and sum equals to A plus B, then you can take a input as a number. So just see the practical in our VS code. Just open your VS code. So this is my VS code ID. Already I have created one folder user input into Python. So let's create a file here, or you can right click and new file here as well. But in folder you can create from here. So I'm creating input dot py. Suppose this is a name variable and I am typing name as a Gautam and just print this name, print name, and run the program. This is a run symbol. So you can see the output is a Gautam, right? But you want to type the another name. Suppose you want to type your name, then what you will do? So you should write a program dynamically. So that's why we are taking a input function. So name 2 suppose name2 equals to, this is the input function and this is the message, enter your name. So we can type any one names here, but in this variable you can type only a single name. So that's why this is called as a taking the input from a user. So now see the output and just print this name to, because we are not printing this, and now run the program. So here you can see this asking is to enter your name. Here in input function we already have a given a string. So just type, before that I have typed my name. So now you can type any one name here. Just like I print here int Robert. So I type Robert and you can see name is a Robert. So I'll print name as a Robert. So just I'm giving a string here so you can see better. Now see the output. Now type name, another name is suppose Alexa. So you can see name as Alexa. But if you want to number, then see, suppose you want a number, num1, suppose num1, and you are taking input from a user. Just enter number 1 and print. So comment this before lines. For commenting, just type control plus slash. This is called as a skip character as well. So I have commented this 3 line, and we are checking only for a num1 now, taking a numbers from a users. So here you can see this is asking to enter the number. Suppose I type 5 here, and you can see this is a 5, but here I will show you this is not a number. So for checking this is not a number, there is a already you see in the type function. So print type and see the magic. You will see. So now we are typing here number. Suppose 10 is a number. So you can see we have taken an input as a 10, but this class is a str and this is a printing as a 10. So we cannot calculate this number because this is a string. If you want a number, then you should convert this number into the integer. So how you can convert this number into the integer? Just you have to write the int function. This is a typecasting, and inside the integer you can take this input function. So this will be as an integer. So now run this program. Or you can this just check. So now type a 10 and you can see now the output. Enter number 1 is a 10 and class is a integer, but before this was a string. Why? Because we didn't convert these functions. So now we have used the integer functions to convert this string into the number. So this is a int and we have printed this number. Suppose this is the input function. You can take the input from the user, and this is the integer. So similar way you can convert this into the float as well. First of all, if you want this terminal window in the right side or left side, just right click on here, go on a panel and click on the right. So you will see this will goes in the your right. Now we can see very well and run again. So you can see type number 20, and you can see we have successfully converted this number string into the integer. So checking again, suppose if you want to the addition num1 and num2, we are taking two numbers, num2 equals to int, or you can take a float as well number. So we can convert into the float. Input enter number 2, and now we are doing addition of these two number. So in C, or just like a sum equals to num1 and num2. Num1 plus num2, and here you have to print this summation of a number, that is the addition. So type first number, just I am typing first number as a 10 and second number as a 30, suppose. So you will get the output 40. 30 and 10 is a 40. So by using this user input, you can take the user input from the keyboard, just like here input function is used, and input function is always takes as a string. Suppose if you want to this convert into the integer, float, or decimal, any kind of a numbers, that is a numerical operation, you should convert this input function, whatever you taking input, convert it into the int, float, and inside that functions just take input functions. So you can convert this into string into the number. So that's all about the input function, as well as you can convert by using a int, float, that is also called as a typecasting as well. Because we can't calculate the string, right? Because if you don't take this as a integer, so this will be considered as a string. So that's why you should convert always by using a int, float, or taking a number as a input. So that's all about the input function in a Python. So thank you for watching this video.